The 1991 Gulf War, perhaps the most spectacular implementation of modern defense technology that the world has ever witnessed. Protected by darkness, the military was able to add a new dimension to the element of surprise, the ability to see in the dark. Night vision devices played a critical role in the outcome of the Gulf conflict. Armed forces around the world, as well as civilian industries, are increasingly relying on the technological capability to see in the dark. As the reliance on these devices is steadily increasing, the possibility of mechanical failure and the related consequences is becoming a matter of true concern.
Over the past 10 years, at least 134 U.S. servicemen have been killed in helicopter crashes involving pilots wearing night vision goggles. 43 of the deaths occurred in a 12-month...
The safety of those individuals who rely on night vision devices has been a major concern to a company that has earned a worldwide reputation for its technology in the engineering of testing instruments that will assure optimum performance of night vision devices. Hoffman Engineering Corporation, a dynamic company totally dedicated to the design and improvement of the lighting needs for the aerospace, defense, and automotive industry. Since 1955, customers have benefited from Hoffman Engineering's technological experience in the creation of safer and more effective methods of illumination. For years, Hoffman has been the world's leading producer of image tube and goggle test equipment. In the late 1980s, it became apparent that a portable goggle test set was needed. Hoffman was the likely candidate to design this equipment. Drawing on extensive product and market knowledge, design was begun in 1989.
Our objective was to produce a highly portable, easy-to-operate unit. Portable so that it could go anywhere that goggles go. Easy to operate so that a skilled technician would not be required in order to perform the necessary tests.
Naturally, it had to be dependable and adaptable to the many different types of goggles. It had to quickly perform a complete series of tests that can assure the safety of the goggles user.
Most important to us was that the system continue the Hoffman tradition of quality and NIST traceability. We love challenges around here, and we knew that we were going to come up with something very exciting.
And indeed they did. The engineers at Hoffman created the ANV-126, a complete portable instrument to test and evaluate the performance of most night vision goggles currently in use. The ANV-126 can perform a full range of critical tests. Goggle resolution, gain, distortion, and spot defects can be evaluated under any nighttime lighting conditions. Additional tests such as the goggle's current draw, battery pack voltage, and low battery indicator can also be quickly measured with a high degree of accuracy. Quantified information where the test results for each goggle can be accumulated for tracking its performance. Variable light levels that can simulate starlight through moonlight can be accurately set and monitored inside the ANV-126. Hoffman engineers created the ANV-126 with one thing in mind: the safety of the goggles user. As with any instrument, the accuracy of the test is only as good as the performance of the device. To verify its own performance, the ANV-126 was designed with the most sophisticated self-testing system, which actually tests itself any time before beginning a goggle test. The ANV-126 Night Vision Goggle Test Set. Simplicity, dependability, accuracy, and speed of performance. Another addition to the long list of Hoffman engineering accomplishments. Where innovation comes to light, Hoffman Engineering.